Imagine this. It's Sunday night. You open your banking app and your stomach drops. Your credit card is maxed. Your afterpay is due Friday. Your rent came out yesterday and there's $47 left in your account until next Thursday. You're not broke. You have a job. You're earning decent money. And yet, always behind. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Nearly half of all Australians, 46%, started this year already in debt. I'm Kellan, your Wealth Foundation guide, and today we break out of it. Let's go. Here are the numbers, and they're pretty confronting. Australian household debt hit a record $3.33 trillion. That's trillion with a T. Up 6% from the year before. The average credit card balance, $3,100. Personal loan, over $14,000. Home loan, $349,000. And then there's the sneaky one. Buy now, pay later. 41% of Australians used Afterpay, Zip, or another BNPL service in the last 6 months. A full third of BNPL users said they couldn't manage their finances without it. It's gone from a convenience to a lifeline. Credit card companies are very good at one thing: making debt feel manageable. They show you a minimum payment, maybe $45. That's fine, right? You can do $45. But here's what they don't put in big letters. $5,000 at 20% interest, paying the minimum, 20 years to pay it off. The minimum payment is designed to keep you paying, not to get you out. This one's silent, and honestly, it gets almost everyone. Pay rise, brilliant, but somehow, nicer apartment, eating out more, upgrading the car, streaming services. The problem isn't what you earn, it's the gap between what you earn and what you spend. And if that gap is zero, debt fills it. Buy now, pay later feels free. No interest, split into 4, easy. But here's the thing, when you split everything into 4, groceries, shoes, phone, you lose track of how much you've committed. The average late fee, a record $119 per person. And that's before what it does to your credit record. All right, enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. You cannot fight an enemy you can't see. Write down every debt you have. Credit cards, BNPL, car loan, personal loan, money you owe a mate, every single one. This is your debt map. Most people have never done this. Most are scared to. But the moment you put it on paper, the anxiety shifts to a problem you can actually solve. That shift alone is powerful. Now you need a strategy. 2 proven methods, both work. Which one fits your personality? Debt Snowball. Smallest debt first. Minimums on everything else. Roll the payment into the next. Build momentum. Small wins. Debt Avalanche. Highest interest first. Mathematically saves the most money, but needs discipline. Kellan's honest take? Start with Snowball for motivation. Once you're unstoppable, switch to Avalanche for savings. The best strategy is the one you'll actually stick with. Paying off debt while still adding to it is like bailing out a boat with the tap still running. Close or freeze credit lines you don't need. Pause your BNPL. Set a debit-only rule for everyday spending. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stop making the hole bigger while you're filling it. Debt isn't a character flaw, it's a system. And once you understand how it works, you can work against it. Australia's record debt isn't because Australians are bad with money. It's because the system keeps you spending, borrowing, paying just enough to stay in the game. Now you know the traps, now you have the map, and now you have the strategy. The next step is yours. Subscribe. Next week, Kellan shows you how to build your first proper budget on an Australian salary. Getting out of debt is step 1. Building wealth is the next chapter. Take care of your money, because nobody else will.